Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to make Crossfade in PC CapCut in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This video explains how to smoothly transition between two clips for a professional-looking edit. Step 1. Open CapCut on your PC and click on Create Project to start a new editing workspace. This is where you will add and arrange your video clips. Step 2. Click on Import from the top left corner and select at least 2 video clips from your computer. Importing multiple clips is important because Crossfade works between 2 clips. Step 3. Drag the imported video clips from the Media panel to the timeline and place them next to each other. Make sure the clips are touching with no gap between them. Step 4. Click on the Transitions option from the top menu. This section contains all the transition effects you can apply between clips. Step 5. Scroll through the transition list and find the Crossfade transition. Crossfade creates a smooth blend where one clip fades out while the next fades in. Step 6. Drag the Crossfade transition and drop it between the 2 video clips on the timeline. This applies the effect directly between the selected clips. Step 7. Click on the transition icon in the timeline to adjust its duration from the right side panel. Increasing or decreasing the duration controls how fast or slow the crossfade appears. Thanks for watching automatically. And don't forget to subscribe to the Techie Dialogue channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.